Hi, I'm Brandon Lombardo with ShopSabre CNC. Today, we're cutting something detailed and artistic. It's a world map with a compass rose. We picked up this file online and we'll be cutting it from a sheet of steel using our ShopSabre FiberSabre in a 4x8 configuration. Now, this particular machine is our single-phase 2 kilowatt FiberSabre. It delivers incredible precision while still being accessible for most shops. If you're looking for more power or the ability to cut thicker materials or at a higher speed, the FiberSabre is also available in a 3-phase 6 kilowatt version. That added power opens the door to increased throughput and expanded material capability. Fiber laser technology excels at projects like this, where other technologies are going to be limited by kerf width. The extremely fine kerf allows tight inside corners, small islands, and intricate detail to cut out cleanly with minimal heat distortion. That means parts often come off the table with little post-processing required. Now, the ShopSabre FiberSabre is a fully enclosed machine to meet the standards of a Class 4 laser, ensuring you and your operator are shielded from the light. Now, the industrial pull-out drawer makes loading and unloading your machine a breeze. This means a safer, cleaner, and more efficient laser solution for all your competitive needs at a more competitive price point. The built-in material library in the controller makes dialing the settings straightforward, and a quick test cut always helps confirm performance on new materials. So let's get our material loaded, verify those parameters, and let's start cutting this project. Take a look at that detail. Sharp edges and smooth curves. This is where fiber laser separates itself. When presentation and precision matter, the FiberSabre delivers. Whether you're producing signage, decor, architectural panels, or production components, fiber laser gives you unmatched speed and accuracy. Adding this technology to any fabrication shop is sure to revolutionize your business. Pair that with ShopSabre's American-made build quality and its world-class support, and you've got a serious competitive advantage. Thanks for watching this ShopSabre CNC video. I'm Brandon Lombardo, and I'll see you in the next one.